Hello Polygon Matic Holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Polygon Matic. What's the current price of Polygon Matic? What's the price in the Polygon? In this video I will show you, my friends, but before starting this video please subscribe ABS Tech channel and like this video, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Polygon Matic currently price, the future price since in the Polygon Matic. And you know what, I'm telling you, congrats. So my friends, at this time the Polygon Matic start pump. That's why I'm telling you congratulations. So congrats once again all of holders of Polygon Matic holders. Anyways, my friends, please first of all subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Absolutely, if you subscribe my channel, so you will never any updates about cryptocurrencies market. Now at this time the latest price of the Polygon Matic is 1.35 USD dollar. 1.35 USD dollar is the currently price of the Polygon Matic. Other side, you know what, my friends, yesterday the price of Polygon Matic falls down, so that is why I'm feeling very happy that after a falls they start pump. So I'm very happy, my friends. Anyways, please tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about Polygon Matic? Oh my goodness, that's another shock news for all of you, my friends. I'm sorry, but if you look the latest last 1 hour, last 60-minute price chart of the Polygon Matic, so my friends, at this time you can see the price is still positive in the start of hour the price pump, but unfortunately now if you look the current situation, so the current situation is again going negative. At this time the price of the Polygon Matic is again start going down. So my friends, pray for it. I hope the price will pump, and I hope that it is a temporary, my friends. Anyways, we can't say about the future, my friends. Remember, we can't say about the future, my friends. Pray for it. There is a lot of chances, my friends. You know what, in the yesterday price fast and occurred, so the chances still is that the price will pump. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS channel for more news and updates videos.